Today we are going to look at how you can put live wallpapers on your Windows PC. So let's start. Okay, so you're going to search lively wallpaper and you're going to have this kind of interface. It's loading, but it will be a colorful flower something. You're just going to download it. Mine is downloaded, that's why it's showing open. So while your guys lively wallpaper is downloading, we can just download some wallpapers from the internet. For the next step, you're going to open up your browser and search for motion BGs. You're going to have this kind of interface. This website gives you a lot of 4K wallpapers and have categories about anime wallpapers, car wallpapers, whatever you like. After you click on the link, you will have this kind of interface. You can choose any of the wallpaper you like. I am going to go in the space category, and in that I am going to choose this wallpaper. You can just open the wallpaper and you can download it by just scrolling down, and there are two options, HD and 4K. I prefer downloading 4K, that's much better, so I'll just download the 4K. After your lively wallpaper is done, you're going to open it. So lively wallpaper gives some default wallpapers like these. These are very cool wallpapers. You can try these one out, but if you want your own custom wallpapers, you can go on this plus. And one cool thing about lively wallpaper is that you can post directly. You can post videos from YouTube directly into this app, and that will be your wallpaper. But for that, you need to be online every time. So we are going to just use the use the wallpaper that we downloaded earlier. So we'll choose the file. Okay, it's going to take some time, but why? Okay, it's open. Now you're going to choose the file, and after the file comes here, it's going to load, and just like this, it's going to load, and after it's loaded, you're going to press OK. It's loading. You can change the name of this wallpaper too. I don't really want to change it, so I'll just keep it as it is. So this is how your wallpaper looks after done loading. For you it might be lagging, but for me it's completely fine. It's because of OBS Studio, I guess. So hope you like my video. See you in the next one.